Hello Visionaries of Beauty, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you guys clicked on that button, decided to come on over to this channel and stop by. If you're new here, welcome. You're returning. I'm so glad you're still riding with me, okay? Because it's been a minute, okay? So yes, I'm coming to you with this new lace wig from Sensationnel's Cloud 9 series. It's the WhatLace Swiss lace wig. So I purchased this here from Elevatestyles.com, and it says keep them guessing. It's ZAILA and it's Flamboyage Mocha. That is the color, and it says hair illusion lace wig. So that is this wig right here. Now it does come in other colors. We got 613, Flamboyage Auburn, Flamboyage Blonde, Flamboyage Chocolate, Flamboyage Mocha, and Flamboyage Sand. And I believe it comes in some natural colors as well, obviously. But those are pretty much the, fashion statement colors. So I believe it's pronounced ZAILA, but it is heat safe from 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I do like the quality of this hair. It is synthetic hair. It's almost human hair like, to be honest with you. The colorway is amazing. Let me just give you a close-up of that. So this colorway is like amazing. So if you are a person that doesn't want that much color, but you want a touch of color just to give you some edge, this is the wig for you. Okay? Now the body wave curls are super nice. The cap, I want to say, fits a little snug, but it still fits on my big head, if that makes any sense. I'll show you a close-up of it. I feel like the lace may have stopped short just a tad bit, but I'll go ahead and give you a close-up. So this is what the hairline is looking like. I didn't do too much in the way of baby hairs. I just wanted to keep it simple, more of a natural look. The hairline itself, I think it's okay. I mean, it is slightly round, but if you add the baby hairs, which I didn't feel like doing right now, you'll be absolutely okay. Or it's okay just wearing it just as is. So the lace pretty much stops just at my temple. But I did go ahead and put it in a part. As you can see, it looks really nice with the cap underneath. I think they did a very good job with this unit. Now it can be parted within, I think it's maybe a 5-inch parting space. Maybe, don't quote me on that, but it might be a 5-inch. But it's a decent amount of parting space, so you can just part it from wherever you want. As you can see, looks, really natural. All right, so yeah, that's that. So you do get your caps. So in your cap construction, you do get your standard combs. You get 2 at the temple, 1 at the nape, and you have your adjustable straps. So if it's too loose on your head, you can go ahead and adjust that and make it to fit your head. This unit is, I saw it and had to have it, snatched it up, the deal. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this wig. This lace pretty decent, I want to say. I did have little issues with the side, but that could be just my error with not cutting enough the lace off on this side. It stops pretty much at the temples, literally at my temples, so it's a bit of a snug fit, but it's nothing that's going to give you a headache, because I do suffer with headaches and I feel like this is not going to give me a headache. Just a little shorter than I would like. I do think the color and everything is gorgeous. I do think it was a really nice find. The hair feels almost human, like I kid you not. It feels almost human, like I do like it. As far as tangling, shedding, I haven't experienced any of it. I haven't been wearing it that long, but I haven't experienced any of it other than cutting some baby hair, or trimming down the baby hairs, which I didn't really utilize this time because I just want to see how it would lay, period. Without all of the smoke and mirrors with the baby hairs. Let me go ahead and give you that 360, and then I'll give you my pros and cons. Now this is a layered unit. Now I want to say it hits about 20 inches long, give or take. The inches on this is about anywhere from 18 to 20 inches long. I'll leave all information of where I purchased this unit down below in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. You can follow me on my social media platforms, Annette Beauty on Instagram, Visionary Beauty is my group on Facebook. I will be trying to add more content, newer content onto my Facebook group, so please check that out. Like, subscribe, comment, and share, and as always, stay fabulous and be your own vision of beauty. So next time, bye.